G'day guys, I'm Joe from Jollop Lures and welcome to this week's video. We're here at the local North Coast Brew and Bass, little bass round. Got about 8 odd teams this morning, pretty miserable conditions. Got the young fella on board. And obviously this is in our boat. We're with Bretto, which is over there. Bretto from Ballina Bait and Tackles, kind enough to take us out today. So let's go catch a big bass. Alright, we're just idling down to the start here. Bretto's just running the car down. We're in the Bass Cat today, a little bit different to the tinny hail. Super comfortable. You can see why people buy these things, like steering wheel, nice comfy seat, just super comfy, especially for the young fella. So the last 2 days we've had a lot of localised rain, so all the drains are going to be running, so the river's quite muddy, which means we're literally just going to be drain hopping this morning, which, fingers crossed, the fishing should be pretty damn good for you guys. So we're going to have a bit of a two-pronged approach. I might have crankbait on, probably a buzzbait straight up. Hopefully we can have a little bit of fantastic buzzbait action. Ollie, what do you got tied on, mate?
Jackal TN60.
TN60, his favourite little goal one. So can't wait to get out here, guys. It's a ripper morning there. We've had bloody inches of rain and it's just cleared off for the start. So let's go get into them. Can't wait.
Go, Walt. Get a cast in there.
We're waiting for it to get smashed off.
Last week I got lots of bites and I caught lots and I hold them myself.
Cool.
Hopefully you get one today to hold up. Yeah, you're right, man. No, you sit where you're going to sit.
I just caught something.
You caught something?
That thing.
You had a branch on there.
Yes, I put a branch.
Down that way, that bottom side of the tree there. Cast your normal way, you're right. How you normally would do it? Whoa! That was wild. Hey, close him up.
Look at me.
Oh, hang on, Walt. Hang on a sec.
I'm so glad this camera's rolling today. This is going to be gold. Hey, I've got no idea. I'm going to put your secret frog on.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put my white frog on.
Yeah, I'm going to put your white frog on. I reckon that's a heap better.
You got some...
Wind him in. I'll put him on.
The bone.
Do you when...
Oh, there you go.
Oh, Brett, get the net out.
Behind you.
Oh, we're in the timber there.
You get it. Hop up the front.
Trees.
You're alright. Do you want me to do something? It's a good one.
Right.
Jump up.
Get him out.
Was that on the frog, mate?
Alright, Ollie, man.
Oh, it's a nice one. Get him in there. Oh, it's a good fish.
You look big.
Lift off. Good job. Woo! Go team.
Yes, Ollie.
High five for Bretto.
Right, we're doing 5s, are we?
Woo! Good job, Ol. Oh, Ollie, that was on the frog.
There you go, Dad's down the back.
Bring him down.
You got him?
We'll
Dad's
chuck
in
him
the
in
line
here.
well there. I'll throw some water in. You get him? Take him down. Oop. Step down. Good job. Oh, you'd probably throw him your side, mate.
Alright. Fish number 1 for Mr. Bretto. Woo!
Alright, we'll take it. We'll start.
Righto, Walt.
We're in there. Thumbs down on the sound roll.
Right, that's good, Ol. Now you're in with a chance they're eating the froggies. We're just going to hold the rod up and just do a nice little line, okay? There you go.
The spot.
Oh,
there he
Ollie,
is,
go,
Ollie,
you're on.
get him.
Wind, you're on.
Yes, Ollie!
You right, Ol? Hop up the front. Oh,
Get
no,
him.
you just stay there. Wind, wind.
Get him out!
Wind.
Get him out, Ol!
Wind, Ol.
So hard.
I know, wind.
Go!
It's a good one.
Yeah, I'll get the net, Dad can help you, it's all happening.
That's it, Ol. Woohoo! Pull him around that way.
So hard.
Keep him around. Oh, Ollie. That's a good one, Ol. Woo!
Alright, open your bail.
Open him up, good boy.
Beautiful.
Did you see it? Ate it. Ollie!
Good job.
Woo! How good was that, Ol?
Oh, he's eating that. It's down his throat.
So we've just put that little weedless frog on and check that out. It is buried in there. Thanks, Ol. Good job, Ol.
That is cool.
That was cool.
That was pretty cool.
Do you want to hold him up?
Yeah, I'll hold him up.
Alright, you come. Can you put your rod down then?
Good.
I caught this fish with a lure hooked into it.
What sort of lure was it, Ollie?
A frog.
What colour?
White.
That's right. Should we put him in the live well?
Yes.
Righto, let me open him up.
I can't hold it.
No, you can drop it in.
No.
What do you mean? Whoa, Ollie. Good job, mate.
Look at
As it lands, you start to wind, okay? Oh,
That's
quick, there you go, go.
Perfect. Come on, Ol.
Little bit, oh, you're on, Ol, go! Woo! Oh, no! Soon as that landed, just boom, he started to wind it. Let's go again.
that was not even.
Did you see that one, Ol?
Did you have the camera on that?
Yeah. I should have got it. All right, go.
Awesome.
Oh, go, you're on, Ol.
Get him out! Go this way, Ollie! Round this way!
Jump up the front and prep.
You're right, keep going, pull him out. We need the net, Dad, bust the net. There you go, Ol. Alright.
For Ol, on the frog, he smashed him.
Bring him around this way.
Let's pull it.
Oh!
Got him?
Pull him up!
Where are we? Can't see him. There he is. Got him.
Woo! Ollie! You got another one!
Did well, mate.
Open your bail, champ.
for me. We don't break your rod. You got it.
Wow, that's a good one,
It's a
Ol.
bit heavier, actually.
Wow,
Good
mate.
job, bud.
See where it hooked it? It hooked it.
Yeah, he ate it right at the front there.
How good is that, Ollie? What do you reckon?
Very good.
Oh, old goal. I can't believe you've caught two.
Already. Stitching us up, Ruz. Oh, well.
What is just the white in that dirty water?
Oh,
It could be anything. Could just be where it got cast.
And I always used to throw white, and then the last 2 years it's been the chartreuse.
Yep.
What's been going on, and I should put the white back on. I keep going back to the chartreuse.
It's just what you're confident in, isn't it?
Well, and that's been the problem, you know. Well, you got the first one on chartreuse.
Yeah, exactly.
I think it's just where you put the cast.
Ah,
Oh no, get down there again. Go, Dad.
Yep, come back down here.
Yep, that'll be able to punch another cast in there for you.
I'm winding quicker than the speedboat.
There's that one there.
Nice little bit of run there.
I kick like a hopper. I
Yep.
I was going to say.
Oh!
Oh, what are you doing, lad?
Got a sting on it too.
Did you feel like you had a...
Oh, yep. There's tons in there. Yep. Ollie, throw your frog in there. Get it in there.
Why?
There's so many fish in there.
Oh, this is the good lucky spot.
It's a yucky spot.
Oh, yep. Got him. Oh, that's good. That's good.
I'll hook him.
That's got me. No, he's bricked me.
Really?
Isn't it? It's a good one.
I'll get that. Oh yeah, that's a belter.
That is a belter.
That is a big
No need
belter.
for a net around here, brother. That is a corker. Look at him. Look how. Oh, he's been in a net.
Oh, that's a corker. That's a corker.
There we go, guys. That's probably that'll be the best one of the day,
Yep,
Bretto.
this one.
Number 4, we've got our bag limit. Woo!
Is that a crackety?
We're up
Rightio.
to
Yeah,
winning.
something smashed him
We're up
under
to
there.
winning.
Can't get another crackety.
Righto, let's get him in there.
We're up to winning.
We're up to winning, the young fella reckons. Well, we'll see.
Oh, I don't know about that.
We are winning.
We got our bag. At 8 o'clock and we got our bag.
Throw in there.
Oh, I hate spin bags, so I can't see nothing.
Now,
from it.
probably usually the first thing I pick up.
There's so many in there. Like that got hit. Go. That got hit 4 or 5 times on that car.
I can't concentrate.
It's a belter. Oh, yep.
Oh,
Hey, Dad. Oh, you have to do some upgrading now.
Ah.
That up, bro.
I don't know.
I
I
don't
have
like
to...
that.
Put your spinnerbait on.
Oh, you're right.
No. I don't think you upgrade.
Let me use your wood.
There we go, just a little guy. They're pretty thick in these drains. How many fish we got, mate?
4.
Who's caught the most? Dad.
No.
No, I only caught 2.
Oh, yeah. He's got
2, 2.
1.
Take care, guys.
Tommy's got to drive.
As soon as it hits the water, you start to notice.
Okay, I don't know how to hit the water.
Watch what you're doing with it. Fish, Brett's on. Ollie, get the net. Get the
Okay,
net for him.
what's the net?
I'm going to throw straight in so we can get a double. Get the net for him. They had
He's actually not a bad fish.
Oh, he's a good fish. Get him in. Oh, yes. Good job, fellas. Beautiful fish. Right, you sort that out. Oh, look at that. That's a good one, Bretto.
That's actually is.
Thanks, mate.
We might get the camera out for that one.
Hey.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Nice little fatty come out of the drain on a Bassman spinnerbait.
He's a
Colour
corker.
25. Yeah, little fatty, built like me.
Awesome, mate.
Sweet.
First upgrade.
Yes, happy
Beautiful.
days.
Good job.
That's the rip it in pieces.
Oh, we might. Brett's on.
Oh,
I reckon drop him. Oh no, come at me.
no, I'll get the
You
net.
get the net.
Oh, that's
Oh,
right.
he's right. It's only, oh, he's an upgrader though,
Oh,
mate.
he's an upgrader.
He's a good fish.
He'll get a keep.
Oh, Brett, I got one out of the road.
That,
Yes, that's opened that up perfect. Good job, mate.
just a broom.
Just before you chuck him in the well, just hold him up with that back, Kevin.
We just got a bit of...
Double hooker. Double hooker.
Good job, mate. It's a half-handy bag.
I can't. Oh, this one.
Come here, Mum. Then bite. Ah.
Oh, yep. Tea bag.
He bag.
I've got a good one on. Oh, it's a big
Pass
fish.
me a net.
Oh,
Pass me a net.
Yep, where are you?
Pass me a net. Pass me a net.
Stay there.
Just hold on off.
I
I hope that's on the camera.
Which side was...
Big's there, that your feet, yep, that's the bigs.
Yeah. Ollie, Dad might need that.
So guys, we've got a good one on here. We've tea bagged through the trees. That's different.
You going to be able to do that, Ollie?
That's a good fish. Get him in, son. Yes.
Yeah.
That was worth stopping for.
Alright, we've got rods here, we got tree, we got cameras.
That was chaotic. That was a good stop. That's a good fish. That's your spot lock there. Alright, we've had chaos there. We got 3 fish there in no time at all. I've got no line attached because I hope you saw that. I tea-bagged that one through the tree and he's a lovely fish. Bassman spinnerbait again doing the job. Another upgrade. Half handy bag there now. Let's get back into it.
What colour, mate?
That's 17 I think he is. Colour 17, love that. 3/8 Bassman shorty. Woo! That was just full on.
Okay, so...
You have some muffins?
I think we've got...
What do you need, Ol? What do you need?
Muffins?
Muffins? Really should go up there one year.
With beets and...
It'll fish good next week once it just settles back a little bit because it'll be like when we were there and a new fresh lot of fish would have come through.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, yep, good one.
I'll get it.
Got it on?
Yeah, I can get it. I can get it.
There you go, quick, quick.
Oh, it's a big one. It's a good one. Oh, yeah. Yes, boys.
Yes.
Anchored on. Woo!
Jiggle, jiggle.
Jiggle,
Oh, he's
jiggle.
Alrighty, there's that nice fish I just got there on the jackal. He's a lovely river fish. He's we're just going to see if he's an upgrade. Let's check it out. Oh, I keep forgetting about the other. Oh, yep.
And then cut to the side.
Fishing's pretty good, just another little guy.
Yay.
Yeah, one of a kind.
One of a kind.
It goes flush just for a second. That tide just changed.
Sure.
Brett's on, get the net off. Net, 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 net. See, Eddie fish.
Get it, get
Oh,
it.
sorry mate, I'm all right.
Bring it on.
That's a good one. Get ready, on. Get ready to scoop it.
See where it is. Can't see
It
it.
looks good.
Can't see it.
Stick it in.
Stick it in, stick it in. Oh,
Yes, Bretto. Job, mate.
It's heavy.
Good job, Ol. That's the best fish.
Oh, that's the best
Was he
fish.
just in that eddy there?
We're gonna win.
No, I don't think so.
It's a filter.
What do you want to do in a week?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh.
Are you going to net it? Take her in that side of Dad.
This one. Dad, take it over
Dad's
here.
going to bring it round to you.
I can see. I'll do it in the
It's a
back.
little one. Get him in.
Nice big one. Massive. That's enough.
Good job, mate. There's the little one on the jackal.
Right, I see.
It's the little guy. Oh, there's some bait in there. Oh, yep.
Oh, you've got this.
Yeah. You better throw in there. Dad's dog.
Get him in
Big
there.
peanut.
Get him in.
Peanut?
Oh,
You got belted again.
Nope.
Missed another one.
let it rip. Oh, good cast dog. Now let it sink a little bit this time.
Oh.
Okay, one. Nice and slow. Yep, got him.
Got net.
No, I think he's alright.
Oh, look at it.
Too late anyway.
That was an upgrade.
You mean a hook in?
That was a good fish.
Mine putting a hook in.
Let's sneak out. That was very.
Oops.
Oh my god. I had an incident.
What have you done?
I had no idea.
Did you hear? I've had an incident. What? I think that's time for you to have a nana napper. What has happened there?
I had no idea. I can't remember. I brought it up.
Oh, mate, that was somewhat.
I've been up with a bunch of crates.
What did you say? Oh, you.
I've had an incident.
You're funny kid.
Oh,
I think it was. Oh my god! I've had an incident.
oh, massive little.
Here you go.
Okay, Leia.
Gotta have a bit of humour. Oh, Dad. Daddy. Oh, lucky that pulled up because that would have left a bit of a dent in the juice. Eh? It was a good fish too. It was like what we've had. It might have been an upgrade, I reckon. Oh, yep, on the crank.
Oh, I'm casting you it.
Nah, he's only a baby one though. Oh, actually.
Oh, I'm casting you it.
Nah.
There's Daddy car. Get some. Woohoo! I'm not need that waterfall. Actually not.
There you go. Nice little one on the jollop.
Oh, that.
Oh, Bretto's on. Double hookups.
We actually know it.
Reel him in, don't drop it. That's it. Is it a good one?
Yes, it's good.
What do you have any for Dad?
Oh, no, don't wind him up anymore. I'll have him in the rod pit.
I don't
Where is he? Oh, there he is. Bring him over. Okay, open. Press the button in.
Press the button.
Good job.
Got a double hookup.
Hold him out. Nice smile. Double hook up. Woohoo! Let him go.
Yeah,
Throw him in.
it's big on.
Say, see you, buddy.
Hey, bud.
What do you say to Brett?
Thank you, wet.
Oh, you're right, bud. You did well. You right, dude?
Yeah, I'm right.
Let him rip. Just a little one.
I don't know where.
I don't even know what to say. Where is it all? Oh yeah.
It's
Give
up.
him a jig. Oh yeah. Oh, no. Oh, stop.
It's all mangled.
Oh, it is.
It's all,
No,
it's all
don't worry.
messed up.
I was going to say there was bait. We could stop that. Now flick it. How did that come out? Just a little gentle one. Okay, I'm coming to help.
Open my bail.
Yeah, I think we need to do more than open the bail.
Now the hairy.
Now, are you ready? I'm going to cast it. Get ready to
And
wind.
now the head. Go.
There, go.
Go.
Ollie, that was awesome.
I don't know how that come back, to be honest. Maybe you should fish with him next year and not me.
Why?
Because you're on fire, dude.
You're whacking them off.
I love
Stop.
your work.
Download right up here.
First thing is that.
Yep.
There you go.
Wait.
Exactly, Holt.
A TN68 Brit.
Eat it.
No! What for?
Oh. Pick it up.
Alright, time to bag up a fish. We're back. We haven't got a bad bag. Let's get them out and give you a look. Committee break. Oh. Winning.
Oh, look at you, you got a couple of friggin' marlin on there.
Get
Look
on.
at this thing.
Better than you think.
3 points. Grab that.
How'd you go, Ol?
3-5.
Good, mate. You catch one?
Oh, something.
Nice.
3-5.
How was the boat?
4-1.
So fast?
4-1.
Do you want Dad to get one now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
I don't. Here you go. I reckon we could have 2 boats, Dad.
I reckon you could.
Let's go, let them go. Come, let them go and get a photo. Come on. There you go, guys. That's our cracking bag today. 3.5 kilos we weighed. Good fun, hey, Ol?
Yeah.
Should we let these guys go and see how we went?
Yeah.
Alright, let's let them go.
You're not little bunny buddy. Say that, Baba.
There we go. Well, guys, that wraps up this week's video. Hope some of that content in there was pretty good. We had a cracking day, caught 20 odd fish, I guess. The drains really did it for us. Come in 3rd place, which there wasn't a big field today, but pretty happy with that. Just over 3.5 kilos, which is pretty good river bag. So if you enjoyed these videos, guys, hit that subscribe button. We still want to hear down below what you guys want to do. See you on the next one.